back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my brother IK.
That's right, Wagwan. But right now, Dr. Ross and I are at the Ford v Ferrari. I'm just checking with you. We're at Ford's Garage. It's a brand new establishment that just opened up about 2 weeks ago. That's it. We're here celebrating the 4th of July in style. To all of you out there, that's right. We're gonna get ourselves some crafted burgers with a little bit of pepper and salt. I'll tell you guys how it goes though. See you on the next episode.
And if you look around, you can see that it's tons of vintage things on the chairs. It says Ford. There's Ford tires. If you just get a little feel of the place, there's a giant Ford truck over there. It is Ford's
If you haven't been, the Ford memorabilia is all written enough for you to come dance.
Welcome everyone. We're going to show you guys a small glimpse into our lifestyle. What you can see around us is where we're living. Behind us is Tory Burch, Gucci,
and Golden Goose. They sell a lot of shoes, and as you can see behind us, they have lots of shoes put on top of the roof, on the roof of the building, which you know is a really interesting design choice.
Creative. And on to the next one, after Gucci, they have Tiffany & Co. Amazing jewelry there, amazing people in there. And then after that is Louis Vuitton. But let's go ahead and walk across the street so we can show you guys where we eat at. There is Legacy Hall. This is a great place if you want a mixture of everything. They have ramen, burgers, wings, whatever you're craving for, they have it in the Legacy Hall.
That's right. Don't mind my truck. We're just gonna pass by real quick.
IK's truck's just over there.
That's right.
Our next one, where we are dining at Fogo de Chao.
And this has to be one of my favorite restaurants in the entirety of Legacy. I eat here all of the time, and the service is superb. If you haven't been, you have to come and try Fogo de Chao.
Now, Fogo de Chao has amazing, excellent customer service. It is Brazilian food, so what they do is they take the meat and they slice it right there and they put it on your table. Amazing. Truly delicious.
That's right.
Here's just a view inside the Fogo de Chao. Beautiful, beautiful place.
Beautiful as always. And you know, Kim, I know you were in Dallas way back when I was 6. Well, I'm 15 now. I'd like to take you out and the whole Kardashian clan to the Fogo de Chao.
Now let's mention our She's Hot winner too, IK. We
You're
can't
right,
forget
Dr.
about
Ross.
her.
Our winner is none other than Miss Denise Sanpinar. We
And
might have spelled
hopefully-
that wrong, but we're going to put it right here.
That's right.
As well as her photo. Because Dr. Ross, she really is a hot vixen. She deserves this award.
That's right. She's from the UK, but she recently moved out to, that's just the cars that drive up and down Legacy West. They have Lamborghinis, McLarens. It's just a lifestyle.
That's right.
But like we were saying, Miss Denise is from the UK. She recently moved to California. She's been there for 2 years. She was a part of the Arnold Classics. She's a fitness mogul. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest because you deserved it.
That's right. The next time we travel out to LA, I'll have to go and deliver personally the She's Hot trophy to you, Miss Pinar. Miss San Pinar.
That's right, Miss San Pinar.
And you know what? You're just like an ice cream cone. You have to lick it. You ever heard of jerk chicken? I can jerk your chicken.
Close it off. We just want to show you guys where we live. Just because we've already showed you the amazing sights of Legacy West, but we also have to show you where we live. So, we usually don't disclose this, but do you see where it says LVL 29?
Now look up.
Level 29.
That's right. Now look up all the way at the top where the red light is. Right at the in-house door.
You had to get security to get in.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Right at your left foot.
Kanye!
With out. We'll see you in the next episode. Kim Kardashian. I'll send you a phone.
Tattoos.
Now that's right, guys. As Dr. Ross was mentioning, we'd like to give a shout out to our friends and our acquaintances at all of our all the different businesses.
Miss Sherry at Cat Tattoo will be in our movie. the personals XYZ, so stay tuned for that. We're still filming in here and there. You know we'll give you updates on our Instagram and show you guys how we're filming, because filming is going to start for the next scene. So IK will be there, Miss Sherry at Cat Tattoo will be there too.
True, and we want to mention the Sherry's tattoo, the Cat Tattoo. Now, they have really good piercings. If you're looking to get a piercing, go down to Cat Tattoo and ask for Miss Sherry. She will hook you up. Now, the next person we want to give a mention to is Mr. Waylon. That's right, at Anvil Tattoo. We're going to put their website and all of their information in the link in the description below, as well as right next to us, so you can go check them out. But Waylon is, if you haven't gotten a tattoo yet, you need to go visit Waylon at Anvil Tattoo.
But let's close it up, because we know that IK and I have things to do and places to be. Got to finish up that script too, because IK will be making money soon.
That's right.
Let's close it off, IK.
We'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. But other than that, happy 4th of July.
America's birthday. Now we don't know what that means, but happy 4th of July.
That's right. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. We'll see you in the next episode. That's for you, Kylie Jenner, and for you, Miss Minaj.